I mean, hey, I wanna try.
Oh, you wanna trade, man?
Yep, I wanna train villager.
Yeah, you wanna trade with Biljo.
Okay. Okay. I have a leather. What? Okay, I wanna trade, man. Hey, I wanna trade. I wanna. Man, what happened?
What happened?
What happened? I wanna trade. Why you kill me?
I got no idea. What the heck? Man, he died.